I-drink inyama yani? I-drink yani?
Drink yako.
Can I please get my drink, please? My eyes look so weird. I'm so tired, actually. Hi guys. I did, Heidi. I was gonna reply to you. I saw it like it was popping on my phone while I was on Instagram. Guys, are you enjoying the song? Is it not on Spotify? No, I'll check after this live. No. Lunga, ngikwi-live. Ngibengithe ngicela ungiphele into engiyiphuzayo. MJ Zam, fanaka. Guys. Too much. I just wanted to say hi and ask you, are you enjoying the song? What's your favorite part? Lunga.